Hi, I'm Suzanne Andrews and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make chili that bursts with flavor, which is also good for your heart and will help you lose weight. Cook 2 pounds of grass-fed beef on medium heat in a non-stick pan. You'll know the ground beef is ready when there's no pink showing. This takes about 5 minutes on medium heat. Put your beef in a colander and rinse it. Rinse it well. You'll help reduce calories, and this also makes it more heart healthy. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, back to the video now. Add 32 ounces of tomato sauce into your crock pot. With your crock pot, put on temperature of low. And then to that, you're going to add in a can of diced tomatoes. Add a packet of 30% less sodium chili seasoning mix, and just use whatever brand you prefer. Stir it up, and also, choose what kind of salsa you like. You might like it hot. I like it medium, but really that's up to you. You can even pick a mild one if that's what you prefer. And mix in the ground beef. Mix it up so the ground beef is completely coated with the tomato sauce. Add the kidney beans to the tomato chili mixture. Give it a good stir. And then after that, you just let it simmer on low on the crock pot for 4 to 8 hours. And if you were really hungry, you could actually eat this now because everything's all cooked and ready to eat. But it just tastes so much better if you let the flavors marinate into each other.
As good as, if not better, than what you would get in any gourmet restaurant. Absolutely fantastic. The flavor is not just there, it's bursting. Just terrific.
Thanks for watching. If you want some exercises to go with these heart-healthy recipes, visit my website, healthwiseexercise.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye now.